Does the good girl want a shower? Stella, you having a good time? Good girl? Are you enjoying your shower? You look so peaceful. Did you have a nice shower? We're all done. You're so spiky.
You're so cute. Mwah. What happened? Oh my goodness. Thank you. One, two, three. What? Petite. Hello. I love you. I love you too. I love you too.
Hello. Peeky, 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 peeky room. Peeky, 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 peeky room. Oh, it's good. I love you. Beep.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Chicken Bombs from food.com. This recipe serves 5 and takes about 45 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
What's that mean?
Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh, okay.
Did he come in? Don't touch. He's going to Tara's house. I don't think he likes it.
Oh, no, stop there. Margot.
Or something.
Hey, don't turn up there.
Uh-oh. He's going to scare Kitty if he goes down. Oh, he's gone.
Go out. Come on, out. Go.
Oh, Kitty's not moving. Oh, she's going to be in trouble.